Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. So in this one I'm doing my wash day routine. Okay, so I'm just showing you all the loads that I have to wash and what I wash with. I use the Tide pads and the Tide soap and fabric softener. So here I'm going to be starting with the sheets first before I start on the clothes. So I have 2 loads of sheet to do and 3 loads of clothes. So this is gonna be my first load that I'm putting in the machine to do. Just showing you what I use. I use 2 of the Tide to do the sheet, guys, and of course rings with fabric softener. That's the fabric softener that I use. I'm showing you guys it. So the sheet finished wash and it was time to put in the fabric softener, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm removing the sheet from the machine and I'm gonna be putting in the second load after I finish removing the sheet. So that's what I'm doing, putting in the other load of sheet to wash. So I'll be carrying you guys outside to hang up the clothes on the line, because you know it's not, we don't use dryer to dry the clothes. We normally just hang them on the line outside here in Jamaica. For all who no live in Jamaica, they will hang them outside on the line for dry. So that's what I'm doing right now. May I hang out the sheets on the line for dry. So I'm finished with the other load of sheet now. So them they'll come out of the machine now. So I can go hang them out and I go put in the clothes. I go start wash the clothes them now. So that's what I'm doing here right now. So the first set of clothes them are rinsed right now, and may I go wash out these with my hand outside in the pan, because some things I just don't put in the machine, because you know the machine will ruin certain material and stuff, my shrink up certain clothes. Then I do that, and I'm gonna have one piece of white clothes, so I just have to wash it out with my hand. I do that all the time, you know. Yeah, that's how we used to wash before we buy a machine. We never usually have washing machine. So now we have to wash with the hand. So some things I wash with my hand, some things I put in the machine. So I go outside, meanwhile the machine full to rinse them clothes, I go outside and go wash out them and put it on the line too. Alright. Outside pipe. When I catch more water, they wash out them there. So guys, the sheet them up on the line. I know the first set the back one them. I know so them they dry already. So I'm gonna take them out to hang out the clothes then. When time I finish wash out when I wash out. Alright. Just put the panties and yeah. Just so rinse out it. A little bit dirty, that's the good thing. Was the focus on the color and the arm. And yeah, I wash them off because they're not really dirty if you put nothing in now. The soap my white. Wash them out inside. Scrub it. Look for the arm and the neck. And you scrub. Check the blood if you start the pan. You know? Arm white and clean. Clean. Turn it over before I fetch the water and rinse it. Yeah. So now I just put the two dress them in there and rinse them up. You know, the good thing them not really dirty, saying that I don't have to use the brush because them not really dirty. And the material too, you can't really use the brush. That's why I'm gonna put it in the machine. Because I want to scrape it up or shrink it. And it have the bead them pan it. I don't want the bead them come off the machine either. So certain things you just don't put in there. Use the arm and wash them. Make sure you just wash the arm. Tie it up and roll on and perfume. So always wash the arm and the neck parts. You make sure because them the part the most likely to get a little style from them. So I'm always do them there. Make sure I get them there done. Look. Rinse out the rest of it. I'm not in a eat for them. I've rinse it down because it's never really dirty. Okay, let's wash. And the same with the other dress. You check the neck and the arm. them rings out, so now I just go turn them by the pipe and rinse them. Tatia help me. She got to take up the sheet them, go on the back one, then when I hang out first. You know those are hers. Back sheets. So should remove them now. So I'm gonna check if the front one them dry. Breeze are blowing sun gone down, but the breeze, you see it dry, but maybe the blanket not dry. No, just like me thought. But me I go hang them down there, so. But the other sheet them dry. Them on the shot to cut dry. So she just carry them in and fold it. So now I can take the clothes them out of the machine now. Um, hang them out, but it start to look bleak like it have a rain. So hopefully sun come out back. So I'm just gonna take out them then now, put in another load. I have two more load of clothes to wash. So hopefully we get to finish wash and no rain no fall. Hopefully. Not funny. Watch. Watch.
Oh
Line
my god,
pop.
guys, the line pop.
Pop.
That's
This is
so
shit you have to
sad.
deal with. The line pop. My clothes. Look. All this now me have to go wash. Rings out back. I can't believe I'm dying for finish. Okay, look like it's a rain. Tati pause the pan now. Ease up off for me. Take care. There's something off for me. Take a break and eat, drink some red pea soup because it's just me like a while for see the lime pop dog. The way I close them again and know some I have to go rinse them up back. Stressful. So meanwhile them the rings, I go drink this, hang them out when it stop and then put back them then figure rings and I have one more load for wash. I have 30 clothes leave for wash. So yeah, I did pellet clothes another week because me start the vlog and this start for wash, but then it set up for rain, so and the water did run slow, so me just this me that go wash another day. So this is the day, but it's not going too well. Alright. So the one them with it in the machine come out. The one them we drop, gone in the machine. The one them with it in the machine, the right as up dog because rain start to drizzle dog. Standing here like, really? Is this happening? Come let me pick the worst day for wash. Me for wash from Monday. I start the vlog when Saturday. Stop because of rain and the water did low. The for wash Monday, never get for wash Monday. So I go wash today now. And this is what's happening. But I think I should have start a little earlier. I should have start from like after 6. I never start until after 8. So that's where the problem coming that be 2 hours ahead. I mean know me that finish. So where the on the line, it'll probably blow it. I'm gonna take them up and end them inside. But well the on the line now when me just hang out. And them they come out of the machine and put on this, so I don't know if I hang them out or not because the rain is just down, so I go and hold on and I watch the bits. But let's see. Guys, this is what is happening. It's raining. Don't know if you guys can see the rain properly, but my wash day went horrible wrong. Clothes still on the line. But yeah, it's raining. It's raining. My day is done. My wash day didn't go as planned, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have these that I did take out the machine, and I have the one then that drop that my rings back, and now them finish. I may have one more load lead for wash, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I watch to see if the rain I got done. What gonna happen is what it's after 1 now. After 1, so I don't know. After 1, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I wait to see how the day I gonna play out. And stop and me get the thing out. So hopefully them will at least half dry. Little sun will come up. But we can take them up when it's a night up and hang them inside. So this is how my day went. Not as planned, but hey, it is what it is. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.